So hey, this is Larry Yeager at Yeager's Harley Davidson, and I've got a little tip for you, something that I had a customer educate me on the other day that I did not realize. So a lot of people use little kickstand pads. They use it whenever they are off-road, not on pavement, and so the kickstand doesn't sink in the ground. They also use it in the hot summertime on asphalt because the kickstands have a tendency of sinking in the asphalt. One thing I learned was from this customer was they drill a hole in the end of this kickstand pad. And what that is for you to get a tether cord, just like what I've got here. Zip tie it to the pad, zip tie it to your motorcycle somewhere. I chose to zip tie it to the saddlebag guard. So what that does is it just makes it easier to grab that pad once you've gotten on the motorcycle. So once you mount on the bike like this and you lift it up off the side stand, the pad comes out and you can easily pick it up, throw it in your saddlebag, just like that. Otherwise, it's a difficult thing to reach down and pick up that pad once you're on a motorcycle. So hopefully that helps you. Thank you.